What is the difference between witness chamber pendulum and therapeutic pendulum? Without going into the details, I started with this question because some of you sent me a question based on a lecture they listened to about using the therapeutic pendulum as a witness chamber pendulum. Is it really possible? How to use it, and if it has sense? Let's talk for a moment about it. Therapeutic pendulum is a pendulum which radiates the energy by shape. So it really does not have to have additional energy involved in it in order to work. Witness chamber pendulum is very basic in shape. As you can see, for example, this is mermaid pendulum, and it is just a ball with a point. When you open this ball, then you will have this chamber inside, quite large, in which you can put the sample of something, what you either want to research or you want to send to someone, vibration of this sample. But pendulum by itself is basic in shape because we don't want pendulum to vibrate any energy. We want actually only the vibration of the sample inside vibrate and be given or sent to something else. That's why some time ago, listening to you and your comments, we will redesign all the tops of the therapeutic pendulums, or actually majority of them. Some of them cannot be changed. So it will be easier to restring, because you were saying that restringing this type of pendulum, when you have to unscrew the top and change the string, which really is hidden inside, is kind of challenging for you. But let's see, since I have it open. The question was, can we put inside of ICES the sample of something, the witness, in order for this witness to vibrate, or my name inside, so I will take the energy of it? Well, let's see. The channel is kind of, sorry for using this, but it's kind of that big. So it's as big as the bottom part of this pen, right? So because the tunnel there is done not for being a witness chamber, but rather to simply be able to have this. It's slightly longer, but not very much. Majority of this tunnel is taken by the screw, which is on the bottom of this head, which we can, which we can connect together in order to have the pendulum. This pendulum, because it's therapeutic pendulum, it has actually its own vibration. It releases energy by shape, because this shape, as we said many times in our previous videos, it is based on sacred geometry shapes, principles. So let's see how it vibrates. If we will consider therapeutic pendulum of any shape, but we will deal with ICES here because that's what I have the picture of, then its own energy field looks like this. It was put on black background, and those few specks of black shows us the small amount of this background, but majority of it is very light, just because of the energy of the shape, which vibrates by itself without any connection with human body. Now, if I will hold it, it changes like this to this. Now, can you see the humongous amount of energy which is released by it? If we take this under consideration, then it is easier for us to understand that the pendulum is vibrating the energy and we are adding energy to it. This is kind of the same group of vibrations, because it is light coming from the pendulum and light shining from our body and penetrating to the body of the pendulum. Now, if we would like to have a witness inside, and we want this witness to shine through, then it will be definitely overpowered by the energy of the shape by itself, because it's extremely strongly vibrating shape. Now, what's more, it will change the nature of the vibration which we want to shine through the pendulum. And don't forget that even if you can unscrew it and get to the tunnel, the witness chamber is very tiny inside. If your intention would be, because I don't know what this lecture was referring to, but if you would like to put something inside of this tunnel to energize this something, let's say my handwriting, to add me more energy to me, to energize myself, or to enlighten myself, or raise the quality of my energy, then what I can do is simply take my picture and put the pendulum on it, because because the picture is a witness of me. If I will put the pendulum on the top of it without using it, just presuming that that's the picture, and I will put it on it, and I will put it even more, because I will put it with the intention of energizing this whenever this needs the energy, because it can be me, it can be someone else, it can be a pet, it can be an object which I want to energize. So if I will do this, then I have whole pendulum radiating directly on the witness of me, or the object or place or whatever. So it will take a lot more than this little small piece which we can push inside, and then we will have a problem with taking it out. There is no therapeutic pendulum which is prepared to work as a witness chamber pendulum, just because the witness chamber pendulum, in order to vibrate the witness, should be very simple in shape, very basic in shape. So the shape will not vibrate, or vibrate very lightly. So the frequency of the insert, which means a witness, will radiate from it and will become the predominant and relatively pure vibration of what we want to find out about, research, or send to someone or somewhere. Well, I hope it clarifies the science behind the difference between therapeutic pendulum and witness chamber pendulum. And I'm very grateful for all your questions. If you wish, subscribe to our channel and click on notifications, so every month when I will prepare new video, you will be notified on it, about it, and you will also you can also join our Facebook and of course enroll to our mailing list, which if you are first timer will also offer you 8% discount on everything what you will purchase from our website. Thank you very much, and until next time, stay happy, healthy, and extremely successful.